how to get a custom logo on ESPN Fantasy Football. If you are trying to upload an image from the web, then you don't need to do this process. But if you have a photo on your file, then you need to generate an image address. For that, you need to use this website. Go to this website imgur.com. Here simply drag and drop the photo and right click. Then select the option copy image address. Then come to the ESPN official website, go to your profile picture and click on change. After you click on change, you will see a menu like this. At the top, there are two tabs. Click on custom logo from web. Now here you simply need to enter the URL that you just copied. Once the photo is uploaded, click on save as logo. Once you do that, then your logo will change. If you'd like to again update it or change it, you can simply follow the same process to change your logo. So this is how you can change logo on ESPN Fantasy League. That is all for today. Thank you.